Welcome back, Money Mavens. Get ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of the psychology of money. Have you ever wondered why some people are natural savers while others find themselves trapped in a cycle of overspending? Or why we make irrational financial decisions despite knowing better? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind our financial behavior and shed light on how understanding the psychology of money can empower you to make smarter choices. But before we jump in, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our engaging financial content. Let's get started. Our journey into the psychology of money begins with exploring our money mindset and the beliefs we hold about wealth and abundance. We'll delve into how our upbringing, societal influences, and past experiences shape our relationship with money and discuss how to cultivate a positive and empowering money mindset. We've all been guilty of emotional spending or falling into the trap of impulse buying. In this segment, we'll uncover the psychological triggers behind these behaviors, such as retail therapy, instant gratification, and the fear of missing out, FOMO. We'll also provide practical strategies to regain control over our emotions and make mindful purchasing decisions. Ever wondered why certain advertisements seem irresistible? In this segment, we'll explore the persuasive techniques used in marketing and advertising to influence our purchasing decisions. By understanding these tactics, you'll be better equipped to navigate the consumer landscape and make choices aligned with your values and financial goals. Procrastination and avoidance behaviors can wreak havoc on our financial well-being. We'll dive into the psychology behind financial procrastination, such as fear, overwhelm, and the scarcity mindset. More importantly, we'll provide actionable strategies to overcome money paralysis and take control of your financial future. Humans are inherently social creatures, and our financial decisions are often influenced by those around us. In this segment, we'll explore the impact of peer influence and social comparison on our spending habits, saving behaviors, and overall financial well-being. We'll discuss how to navigate these influences and make decisions aligned with our own values and goals. It's time to wrap up our exploration of the psychology of money by discussing the importance of building healthy financial habits and cultivating mindfulness. We'll provide practical tips and techniques to develop effective money management skills, overcome limiting beliefs, and foster a mindful approach to your financial journey. Congratulations, my fellow financial explorers. You've now unlocked the secrets behind the psychology of money. By understanding the driving forces behind our financial behavior, we can make conscious choices that align with our long-term goals and financial well-being. Remember, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the psychology that shapes our relationship with money. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others on their own financial journey. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, stay mindful, stay empowered, and keep embracing the power of your mind in your financial decisions.